back to the race. Tell me if you're ready, can you take the pace? Twist on a turn, gonna make you see. Ain't nobody gonna play good like me.
I think that this kind of jewelry looks well on a casual basis, or even if you want to glam something up or de-glam something. It's a personality, I think, you know, like this kind of jewelry.
मैंने पहने body shoes, gonna let my body loose. Only had 30 boots, there's party on my mind.
Well, the jewelry goes with my character. It's very feminine. There's a ring that I wear throughout the film, which is pink. You know, and pink is my favorite color even in my real life. When you're a pink person, it just immediately says it's all girly, all Barbie dollish. And I think she's a sexy Barbie doll.
Ain't nobody gonna run the race like me.
Everything that we're shooting with today is are pieces that we've used in the movie, keeping my character in mind. But yes, I think a lot of the pieces, especially the necklace and the cuff that I've worn more than once, which we're actually not supposed to do. I loved the neck piece and I loved the cuff, and I've worn it in a couple of important scenes. And I think the fact that their designs are so modern yet traditional and delicate, and I think that makes you want to keep wearing their pieces over and over again.
Tanishq has got various facets. One facet of ours is diamonds, the other facet is about weddings, the other facet is about relationships. We haven't really positioned ourselves in the fashion space as an in-your-face fashion. This is the launchpad for that face of the brand. I don't think there's a better fit than Race, you know, to position the brand in that space.
Tanishq, they asked us for character sketches of all three girls. We provided them with Deepika's, Jackie's and Amisha's character sketches. The kind of research that they put into Deepika's jewelry, Jackie's jewelry, Amisha's jewelry, what we realized is it is actually enhancing the character. They had to come to a stage where it should be commercially, it can be worn by people and it should be correct for the film. That's what they got correctly, which it has worked brilliantly in the film. And I'm sure it'll work wonders when it comes onto the stalls.
Yeah, I'm coming back to the race. Tell me if you're ready, can you take the pace? Twist on a turn, gonna make you see. Ain't nobody gonna play good like me.
We have been in the process of making the jewelry right from day one in terms of scripting. So we have designed the jewelry along with the team of Race, and each jewelry piece has been made based on the characterization of the actor, which is why you will find that we don't do too many of these associations. We pick and choose the kind of stuff that we want to do, and we found this to be apt, like I said, for the jewelry that we want to introduce in the fashion space.
Every actress has a very specific character to herself. When we started working on it, we were given a brief in terms of what the character is. So each and every piece has been designed and each actress has her own distinct line.
What was given to me was definitely this bracelet. Like, I've taken it home already, it's mine. I saw this, we paired it up with like some denims, you know, like, it's really cool because it could be from anywhere. It's like, it's got diamonds at the same time it's got gold. I love the fact that it's got coins, that it's chunky, and it's the only piece of accessory that you'd need to wear.
I like these bangles. They're, you know, got a little bit of beaten gold and they're matte and got the diamonds in and they're quite like funky. Also what I'm wearing right now, it's very girly. Like you wear even just a white shirt, pair of jeans, or the neutral colors on this. It's so pretty and delicately falls like a little waterfall. It goes with deeper necks.
Also what works is the fact that it has gold and diamond, so it has this gold and silver mix, so it goes with both. You can wear it with something that has like an outfit that has silver and also an outfit that has gold. You don't have to wear it with only silver, only gold.
We're coming back to the race. Yeah, I'm coming back to the race. Tell me if you're ready, can you take the pace? Twist. Undercover, cold like ice.
Treated as a single standalone campaign, you know, not just as a in film promo, but as a standalone campaign, because jewelry is very different for each of the three characters, you know, so we've used different sets for the three characters.
My character is actually someone who is very edgy, very grungy, kind of dark, lives life on the edge, you know, loves adventure sports, so you get to see that a lot in my character. So I would actually say that she's quite complex. throughout the movie.
Shot them very differently and then put everything into one campaign. So it is one packaging that we've done to showcase it to our customers.
Very cute, very bubbly character, who's also a bit of a ditz. She actually asks very sensible questions in a very stupid way at a very stupid time.
The name of my character is Alina, and she's this really shrewd girl who uses her appeal and her charm to sort of get her way through and to get her work done.
A lot of TV stuff from these pictures and plus from the rushes of the film. We'll be doing 30 seconders which we'll be running in all the channels.